Good morning, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This morning I am going to fix a quick marinated cucumber salad, and so it will be ready for dinner. So what all you need is you need a cucumber. I got the long ones because these, you don't burp them as bad and they don't have as strong a taste to them. So I got a cucumber, or a red onion because it's so pretty in a salad. I also have some small tomatoes. You need sugar. You need vinegar. You can use red wine vinegar or you can use white distilled vinegar. And you need just a little bit of oil. You can use virgin oil, olive oil. You only need 2 tablespoons full, so it doesn't matter. And some black pepper. So we shall get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to slice up our cucumber. You can actually slice it either way you want. You can slice it like round or you can slice it long. A lot of people do it different ways. I'm just going to cut this right quick. Half of that cucumber because it's only me here, so I don't need but so much. Slice up a tomato, and you can actually use any size of tomato you want. If you use a bigger one, I would cut it like in quarters or something, because I will probably go ahead and slice these little slices in half. It's just really whatever you prefer. I like the little tomatoes. This just makes a pretty little dish for a side of whatever you're having. That little spot out right there. There we go. This is really a quick recipe. Just doesn't take nothing to get this done. And you're going to have some onions. And like I say, the reason I'm using red onion is because it makes the dish pretty. And since I'm not using the whole onion, I'm not going to peel it all the way down. And again, with this, I'm going to just cut it. I might go ahead and cut this like in fourths. It is a really big onion. There we go. Just sort of stir it up. I really think I'm going to cut part of these cucumbers in halves. Since I've cut everything else in half. Okay. And now we're just going to we're going to marinate it with. And what we need is that was 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of the wine, and a cup of water. And that's all. We need 1/2 cup of the wine, and like I say, I am using the red wine, and that is 1/4 cup of sugar, half a cup of wine, and a cup of water. I almost forgot 2 tablespoonfuls of oil. Stir that, let that dissolve that sugar before I add the water. And just a dash of black pepper. And just a cup of water. Put that in there. Mix it all up. As I say, the red wine vinegar gives it a pretty color. Pour it over your cucumbers, your tomatoes, and your onions. Stir together. Okay, and we're going to put it in a bowl and set it in the refrigerator and let it chill for at least 2 hours. It really makes a pretty dish to set on the table. But let it chill for 2 hours and then we'll be ready to eat.